And I wanna, every time I travel, I wanna give for the people something really like real for you understand and train and make better yourself, you know? Because dance is so unique. I can't compare myself with you or with you or with you. It's different. Everybody have your own way to do it. That's the most difficult thing for the teachers now, because teachers come give you many choreography, many things, but they don't let you take out inside of you something you have inside of you. That's more important. That's make you different, and that's make you unique. Otherwise, it's only movement. Loose legs are loose legs. So farmers is farmer. So swarms is swarms. If you just do swarm, but don't make this alive, it's still swarm. You have to put something, but there's something is coming from you, not from me. My part is for make you understand the technical things, how you do it. But your part is make this alive, like I do my way. This is have my signature. You understand what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So that's not easy to do, you know. So that's why I try to give you more I can for you develop that thing inside, because everybody have, but you need to know how to put out. Understand what I mean? So and for me, I truly believe is the knowledge come together. More you know, more you dance. The movement and knowledge is together. That's why every 50 minutes, 10 minutes before finishing my class, I want to give some knowledge. I want to talk to you. I want you to question me about many things. For if I don't know, I have my mentors, and then say, okay, I don't know that, but maybe in 2 days I know. Then I write you back. You understand? You understand? I mean, know everyone know everything. You have to be fair. You know, when you teach, you educate people. If you educate people wrong, that people educate more people wrong. That's no good. And then the culture going down, and then the dance going down. I'm really serious that, you know. If I don't know the thing, I don't teach you. Yes, I teach you everything I know and I control. I really master the things I teach you. You understand what I mean?
Yes.
So that's really serious. So I want you, if you have some question about dance, about music, about culture, about pioneers, about everything, please, let's talk a little bit and let's share some knowledge. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
So if you have a question.
Yeah, I'm just wondering what your source of inspiration is for your style.
So for my style is my dad, my mom.
Okay.
So 2 years and a half old, my mom teach me how to do salsa, Cuban salsa. She cook in the kitchen and then she dance. I grew up with the salsa music, African music. So then my mom teach me how to do salsa. That's my first dance in my life. So I still dance Cuban salsa. I go out and then I dance. So because this is my inside of me, because I learned from kid. Mm-hmm. And then after the second dance is Sabah. Sabah from Senegal. My dad teach me Sabah and play djembe. So that's my roots. Nobody teach me dance. My parents teach me dance. And then I style. I come to New York, learn to house. I come to New York, learn hip hop. But dance, nobody teach me dance. My parents teach me dance. You know, groove and flow. I grow up with that. I grow up with soul music, African music, and Cuban music, like salsa. So I learned that from my parents, you know. That's my really of people who inspire me. And then for style, I have many people. For me, house, Shinez for sure. If I don't, for me, it's the number one. Shinez from New York. It's the one that pioneer, third generation. For me, he's the one who's represent the combine a technique and still raw, and musicality and timing. He's have everything. Floor move. He's have everything. So I think everybody in the dance scene and the house scene agree with the Shinez. So for me, Shinez is the big inspiration. Then the people, the first and second generation, Conrad, Bravo is the first generation. I learned for first and second generation the essence, because they stop his house, they talk to you his house, they walk house. So that's essence right there. So I understand the essence when I go hang out with them, and then these people first and second generation. Then the technical skills I learned from third generation. So that's my inspiration. But dance, like I learn about dance, is my parents, for real. Yeah.
Thank you.